All right, guys, I'll get to it. So this is a 2017 F250 Platinum, right around, I think it's 51,000 miles on this. So this truck was actually built by Stryker for the previous customer who we bought it from. Talked to Kyle at Stryker, great company. If you're looking for leveling kits, lift kits, 4-link setups, they're definitely the go-to place. Great customer service. So this is a 4-link Stryker. It does have the killer sword performance shocks on it. This has 16 to 22 inches of travel. So right now I've got it all the way up, and I can set it all the way down, roughly 5-6 inches of travel. So right now it's sitting at a 22, and I mean, it's a 42 on a 30x16, and it's making these 42s just sit completely under the rocker. So it is a hoss. Reservoirs all the way around, killer shock hoops. Look at that. Show you some of the powder coat. You can see the front drive shaft right there. I do wish that was powder coated. These wheels, these Rogue Forged wheels, are absolutely insane. You get lost in looking at them. My wife's telling me how to show different views. It is paint to match. Do a little door logo on it. Headlights are done. About to blind me. It does have, I think it's got 32 or 36 rock lights on it. So this truck, once again, sold, I think, within about 3 to 4 hours of us getting it. The gentleman came in Wednesday, flew in from Vegas, got it bought, test drove it. Shout out to him, man. He was a humble dude, man. He moved from Pennsylvania to Vegas. Couldn't have trucks in Pennsylvania, or at least this big, and he wanted one, so he bought this badass. And shout out to him, man. Sean is his name, out of Vegas. So this truck leaves Monday. Couldn't be happier for Sean. What I have coming next, I've got a 2020 F450. It's on social media, listed as incoming. What is it? 2020 F450 Limited. To my knowledge, it's the only limited right now in a 20 for sale in the country. I don't know if that's changed as of yesterday, but that was the update yesterday on it. Let's see, 46,000 miles on that one. The truck got lifted 600 to 700 miles ago. Candy apple red powder coat, true chrome accents. I'm talking tie rods, shock hoops, drive shafts, you name it. The truck has it done, sitting on 8-inch McGowies, whatever. 24 by 14s on 35s. It is a driver, white, all paint to match, and of course the beautiful limited interior. So check that out, boys. I'm going to ask $115 for that truck, and it's going to go to a home. That is a desirable package, all right? So I'll do just a little bit more walk around. I'll let everyone get back to their night. But this is her. And it is a big son of a bitch. Kenzie, quit telling me what to do. All right, guys, I'm going to let y'all go.
Inside. Does somebody want to see?
Yeah, I'll show you the inside. It's mainly stock on the inside, guys, but beautiful black leather. Sunroof, moonroof. So it is on a wireless remote. That's how you run this. Sorry, I got the back seats up.
Work truck.
But that's her, boys. All right. Once again, y'all have a good evening. Keep following us. Keep supporting us. We love it, guys. All right. See you.